Hello students, in our last class you have learned how to insert and delete rows and columns in a table, merge and split features, and applying border to the table. In this video I will show you how to create a chart in PowerPoint and how to work with different components of the chart. Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Means if you want to display the data in a form of a picture, we need chart. It helps us to compare the values in a data. So let us begin. First, let me insert a new slide. You can insert a slide either by clicking at this position and inserting a new slide, or you can also go to the new slide option in the home tab. So let me go new slide option in the home tab, and you will see 9 layout options. You can choose any of the layout. So let me choose title and content layout. So my new slide appear. Now you need to insert the chart in the slide. So there are two ways to insert the chart in the slide. Either you can use the insert chart option that is available within the slide. If you go to the slide, you will see 6 icons here. This is to insert the table, insert chart, insert smart art, pictures, clip art, and movie clip. Either you can click here in the insert chart icon, or you can also directly go to the insert tab and click on chart options available in the illustration group. So you can click on the chart. So the same insert chart windows appear. Now you will see different types of chart here: column chart, line chart, bar, area. In this way you will get different types of chart. So you can use the chart according to your wish. So let me use a column chart. So I am clicking on this column option, and you will get different designs for the column. If you want to use a line chart, you can click on the line and you can use the line design from here. So let me start with the column chart, and let me take this design and click on OK. Now you will see two windows here. This is called a chart window and this is called a datasheet window. So if you want to plot the chart, you have to enter the data in a datasheet. Until and unless you don't enter the data in the datasheet, chart will not get plotted. As you enter the data in a datasheet, the chart will get plotted automatically. So let me create a chart on the marks obtained by a student. Suppose say in category section, let me write down the name of the students. Say Anup, Jyoti. If you look at the chart, you will see as I enter the data in a datasheet, the chart will get plotted automatically. Now see, category 2 has been changed into Jyoti. In this way all the category will get changed with the name of the student. Manoj, and finally Sima. Now let me go to the series. As I change the name in the series, in the chart, the name of the series will also get changed. Let me write down the name of the subject, say English, Math. Now see, the series get changed in the chart. Say SST. Let me enter one more subject, say Science, and let me enter the marks quickly for each and every student. Now as I enter the marks, you will see a long bar. We call this bar as a data series. So bar long this data series will automatically get plotted according to the marks obtained by students in different subjects. Let me quickly enter the marks. Now my chart has been created with the following students' name and the following marks obtained in different subjects. For a moment, let me close this datasheet. So if you want to close the datasheet, you can click on the close button at the top right corner. Now I will work on chart. Now my chart has been created. I need to use the different components that are available in the chart because my chart is still incomplete. Let me delete this. Now if you want to insert the component of the chart, you need to go to layout tab. So click on layout tab. All these are the components of the chart. Let me start with the chart title because I need to give a title to the chart. So click on this option and click on above chart. Let me give the title for the chart. Say mark sheet. Now see, if you look at the chart or a graph, you will see two lines or two axes. We call this as a x-axis and this as a y-axis, or we may also call x-axis as a horizontal axis or a category axis, and we can also call this y-axis as a vertical axis or value axis. So let me again click on the chart. Now I want to give the name for both the axes. So let me click and I want to go to the horizontal axis and title below axis. So it will appear below, and let me give the name for this axis. Say name of the students. Again let me go to this axis title and give a name for a vertical axis. Say my name for this axis will be marks obtained. Marks obtained. Now if you look at this data series carefully, now the data series has been plotted for each and every student according to marks, but sometimes it becomes difficult for us to understand actually how much the particular student has got the marks in different subjects. Suppose say let me talk about Anup. So if I go through the data series of Anup, I can't exactly figure out how much Anup got in English, Maths, SST and Science. So if you want to make it quickly, what you need to do is you need to go to data level. So click on data level and click on show. As I click on show, it will show me the marks that are obtained by students in different subjects. Now you can quickly say how much Anup has got in English, Maths, SST and Science. Now the next is legends. So if you see the marks here, or what we call as a key, we call this as a legend. So you can change the position of the legends around the chart. Click on legend. If you want to show the legend at the top, click on legend at the top. The legend will appear at the top. You can also keep it at the left. So in this way you can place it at different position, even in the bottom. So let me keep the legend at the right side, so legends appear. Now if you want to enter the table inside the chart, you can insert the table too. So go to the data table, show data table. See, the data table has appeared with different subjects and the marks obtained for different students. And if you don't want the table, you can again click on that options and click on none. So table will get disappear. And next is grid line. So you can use the grid line as a major grid line, or you can also use the grid line as a minor grid line, and all those things the grid line will appear. So I have showed you 6 different components that can be used within the chart, that is chart title, and 2 types of axis, that is vertical axis and horizontal axis, how to use the legends, data level, data table, and grid line. Now suppose I wanted to make some changes in the chart. So if you want to make changes in the chart, you need to bring the data sheet back to the screen again. So how will you bring the data sheet back? If you want to bring the data sheet back, you have to click on the design tab. Click on the design tab, and in the data group click on edit data. As you click on edit data, see the data sheet that I was working with appeared. Now I want to make some changes in the chart. Let me decrease the size. Okay, now I want to enter one more subject here, say Hindi. So let me enter another subject, that is Hindi. Now you will see one more legends of the key has appeared in the chart with the subject Hindi. Now let me enter the marks for Hindi. So the data series has also been plotted for Hindi. So let me close it. Now see, one more subject has appeared and one more data series has appeared in the bar. Now let me format the component of the chart. So click on the title of the chart. Now go to the home tab. You can give the color you want. You can increase or decrease the size. Let me give one handwriting style. Now let me go to the category axis or x-axis. Let me give one color, increase the size, and let me change the handwriting. Let me also go to y-axis, give one color, increase the size, and give one handwriting style. So in this way we can also format the component of the chart. Now in this session I have showed you how to create a chart using any of the 2 methods, either by clicking on the title and content layout or by directly clicking on the insert tab. So how to walk or switch in between chart window and datasheet window, how to enter the various components of the chart that are available in the chart window. Hope you have understood it. In the next class we will go through formatting the chart and changing the chart style. I want all of you to practice it at home. Thank you, children.